Welcome to Lark Hill by Taylor Morrison here in West Summerlin. Now, if you're looking for a townhouse with a bedroom downstairs, do not go anywhere. You're gonna wanna see this. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is November 20th, 2025, and today we are here in Lark Hill by Taylor Morrison. It's a beautiful townhouse community in West Summerlin. We're right off of the 215 and Lake Mead Parkway. So really great area, close shopping close by. I think they're gonna be making the urban core, which is really close. So it's gonna have some shopping area, but we're also close to Red Rock Canyon if you like to go hiking. We have downtown Summerlin. West Summerlin, one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. But yeah, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. So again, this is a townhouse community. They offer 3 different floor plans here. So they offer the Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. Now the Unit 2 and 3s are always gonna be end units, and the Unit 1 is gonna be the interior units, okay? In this community, they're gonna have plenty of spec homes. Now spec homes, again, that means quick moving homes. Usually you're gonna get the best deal on those homes, okay? For the Unit 1, those are coming in out the door at about like 464 to just under 500,000. And again, that's, lot premium, that's all the upgrades, okay? The Unit 2, as of today, it's coming in at about low 500s to about 560 is the highest one that I'm seeing here, okay? And then the Unit 3 is coming in at about mid 500s, 550 to about 575, okay? Now they do have a few lots here where you can build from ground up and, select all your options. That's another route you can go. But again, if you want the best deals, you got to go with the move-in ready. They're a little bit more flexible on what they can do, and they usually have price reductions, okay? So a couple of things about the community. So the HOA is going to be $199 a month. Your Summerlin West fee is going to be $60 a month. So together, both of those is about $260 a month. There is a SID here, SID assessment, okay? In case you don't know what a SID is, I'll on the screen, I'll post like a video of a short that I did on the SID. But yeah, you're gonna pay $222 every 6 months, okay? You're gonna pay that every 6 months until the balance is completely paid for, which the balance looks like it's about $7,126.40, okay? Total homes here, you're gonna have about 105 homes. Now, school districts, in case you're wondering. So I will have that on the screen for you guys to check out as well. But yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the Plan 3. Now the Plan 3 is gonna be their largest floor plan here. You're gonna have up to 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2-car garage, 2,163 square feet. And out the door, looks like they do have quick move-ins available. And it's gonna be from 550 to about 580 out the door, okay? So this is what it looks like. It's always gonna be an end unit, okay? So it looks like you do have like a balcony right here. But yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so this door that you see here is going to be an 8-foot door. So that anytime you see 8-foot door, that means you do have at least like a 9-foot ceiling. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk in. You have your dining room, you're going to have your kitchen, and then your living room. Okay, so just remember with the move-in ready homes, the spec homes. So, what you could expect, it's going to be like different options. Sometimes they do tile, sometimes they do plank. Most likely the cabinet colors and the countertops are going to be different, but they use very neutral options, very safe options there. Okay. Also remember too, if you want to pick out all your options, you can do that as well, but you won't get as good of a deal. Okay, so right over here, I just want to show you the floor plan. Now, most of the spec homes, actually, for the first floor, it's actually they're gonna go with the bedroom instead of I believe it's gonna be like a den. Okay, so that's usually an upgrade. You could pause on this screen if you want to know all of the included features. So you could take a look at that. Okay, so welcome in. So you have a very large window right there. Okay, it's a pretty open floor plan. You have the stairs. Okay, another window. This is going to be where your TV would sit, right over there. Okay. See, as you can see, like this model house definitely has upgrades to it. The countertop is upgraded. You got the backsplash, the cabinets. Okay. Now, also remember too, this community is all electric. So you're not going to have any gas. So you have an electric oven stovetop. Okay, looks like they use the GE appliances here. Now the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. But again, with the move-in ready homes, I think that would definitely be an easy ask. They're definitely more motivated to sell those homes versus if you wanted to pick out all your options. Okay, so this is going to be the pantry. So plenty of room in the pantry. So right over here, you're going to have a coat closet. Okay, looks like it goes pretty deep. Let's take a look how deep it goes. Okay. So yeah, definitely some storage space over there. So that's going to be your door to your garage. That is a sales office. Then you'll have your bedroom down here. Okay. And then as you can see, the bedroom option is upgraded. Otherwise, you get the study room right there. So because you do have a bedroom downstairs, you're going to have a shower in here. So you got your single sink, your toilet, your walk-in shower. And then this is going to be your bedroom. Looks like this is a queen size bed. Right, remember every room is going to have a smoke detector. The hallways are going to have smoke/CO2 detectors. So we'll head up to the second floor. This is nice. You have a landing step here. It's not just a straight path upstairs. Hey guys, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction and you're thinking about going to community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the new build agent is going to ask for your information. Once you give them that, they're going to log you in the system as having no representation. Now, the builders look after the builders agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So it's definitely important you get representation. Okay. So this is going to be one of the guest bedrooms. I'm pretty sure for the spec homes, they're at least going to put like a pre-wire up there so you can put a ceiling fan and a light. Bedroom number 2. I do like their large windows. Okay, see right over here. So a pretty good view. But yeah, so you can kind of just see the strip. But yeah, most of these, they can't promise views in the community. So, but yeah, it's a really nice area of Summerlin. Okay, so you have your walk-in closet right over here. But yeah, if you're looking to move to Summerlin, definitely a great area. One of the most desired areas in all of Las Vegas. Great shopping, great schools. So you're gonna have your full bath here. This is gonna be the full bath that the 2 bedrooms share. Okay, you got your shower tub combo. Looks like you got the upgraded black fixtures. You're gonna have your laundry room here. Nice, you do have a sink. So remember, washer, dryer, refrigerator are not included. But you know, if you're interested in that, let me know. We have a high chance of getting that if it's like a move-in ready home or a quick move-in. So this is the primary bedroom. This is gonna be a king-size bed. Okay, so you have plenty of room on the sides. So you got plenty of natural lighting that could come in because you have these 2 windows, but you also have this balcony right here. And then this is the walk-in shower. Beautiful tile surround. And then we have your dual sinks. Okay, nice flooring. You have your toilet room. And you're gonna have your walk-in closet. All right. Guys, that wraps it up for the plan. The Unit 3, their largest floor plan here at this community. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. So, but yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.